You think your cruise vacation is all sunshine, buffets, and ocean views? Well, former cruise workers are spilling the truth. And let's just say, some of these secrets might make you think twice before you book your next trip.
Number 9. The crew deck is a whole different world. Most passengers think cruise staff live the same glamorous life they do. Not even close. Below deck, there's an entire hidden city just for crew. Tight cabins, low ceilings, and long corridors that feel like a maze. Former workers say their quarters are smaller than a walk-in closet, and they often share with one or two others. It's out of sight for a reason. Cruise lines don't want guests to see how tough crew life really is.
Number 8. Cameras are watching. Almost everywhere. Yes, there are security cameras watching nearly every hallway, bar, and pool area. Former security staff reveal that even guest behavior, like drinking too much or arguing, is closely monitored. The real twist? Some ships even have hidden cameras in public areas to monitor for potential crimes or misconduct. Privacy? Once you're on board, you pretty much sign it away.
Number 7. Crew parties are wild and off-limits to guests. You might think the crew works non-stop, but after hours, it's another story. In the crew bar, a secret lounge hidden deep below deck, the staff unwind hard. Cheap drinks, loud music, and stories from around the world. Some workers say these parties rival anything happening on the passenger decks, but guests are never allowed there, for obvious reasons.
Number 6. Some crew barely sleep. You'd be shocked to know how little rest some crew members actually get. Many work 12 to 14 hours a day, 7 days a week, for months without a full day off. Contracts can last 6 to 9 months straight. Crew call it the floating grind. So when you see that smiling waiter or cabin steward, just know they've probably been awake since dawn. Number 5. The secret passenger rooms. Ever noticed certain hallways marked crew only? Some of those areas actually have hidden rooms used for VIPs, off-duty staff, or last-minute guest relocations. On some ships, these are called ghost cabins. They're not listed on the ship map, and you won't find them on any booking site. Only senior staff know exactly where they are.
Number 4. There's a jail on board. It's called the brig, and yes, it's real. If a passenger gets violent, steals, or causes major trouble, security can lock them up right there on the ship. Former officers describe it as a small metal cell deep below deck, just a bed, a toilet, and a locked door. You stay there until the next port, where local authorities take over. So maybe think twice before that 5th margarita.
Number 3. Food waste is shocking. Those all-you-can-eat buffets come with a dark side. Ex-kitchen staff reveal that tons of untouched food are thrown out daily. Some ships dump it far out at sea, following maritime rules, but it's still a massive waste. Others try to recycle ingredients creatively, meaning that fresh pasta at dinner could have been part of yesterday's lunch buffet. Number 7. Crew parties are wild and off-limits to guests. You might think the crew works non-stop, but after hours, it's another story. In the crew bar, a secret lounge hidden deep below deck, the staff unwind hard. Cheap drinks, loud music, and stories from around the world. Some workers say these parties rival anything happening on the passenger decks, but guests are never allowed there, for obvious reasons.
Number 1. The ship never really sleeps. When you're asleep, the real work begins. Maintenance crews paint, repair, and clean non-stop, especially between midnight and dawn. It's how the ship always looks perfect by morning. One ex-engineer said, "The passengers rest, but the ship never does." From hull inspections to noise checks, the ocean never gets quiet.
and neither does life on board.
Cruise ships might look like floating luxury hotels, but beneath the surface, they're a complex mix of hard work, tight schedules, and hidden realities. So next time you sail away into the sunset, remember, there's an entire unseen world keeping that dream vacation afloat. If you found these secrets eye-opening, hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment. Which secret surprised you the most? Until next time, stay curious, stay safe, and enjoy your voyage with eyes wide open.